haven't started yet. I said I haven't started yet. I gotta clean my brushes.
Oh, yeah. What it do, people?
All this shit.
Oh, yeah, you gotta be neat and clean. What it do, y'all? I'm gonna introduce y'all to somebody. This man that's over here airbrushing faces, portraits in people paint. I'm talking about he's sitting here doing his thing. First, I'm gonna show y'all what he doing. Then I'm gonna let the man introduce himself. He got a YouTube page. Y'all know I'm always trying to put y'all on new people to watch. You know, I think he got a few videos on there already for y'all to check out. And from the looks of it, he gonna have a lot more to come. So let me show y'all what he doing. Y'all see that? My boy that he doing this for, he was kin to George Floyd. Y'all know who George Floyd is. So he doing this car. It's gonna be the Big Floyd edition. So my boy that I'm finna introduce y'all to, he the one come do this in your paint job. See what I'm saying? So yeah. He cleaning his brushes and stuff right now, but it's the man right here, y'all.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing, man? My name is Dreams Reality Airbrush. Make sure y'all tap in with me. On my Instagram page is Dreams Reality Airbrushing, and my TikTok is D2R Airbrushing, and that's pretty much it for right now. Oh, the YouTube as well. That's Dreams Reality Airbrushing as well.
Right on, right on. Dreams to reality airbrushing, y'all. When I post this video, when he get ready to go, I'm gonna get all his info. I'm gonna put everything in the link, and y'all show my boy some love, and y'all go subscribe to his page and go check him out. Cause I'm telling y'all, what he doing is badass. And y'all know if it's cars, I'm into it. I know y'all into it as well. So when y'all see this here, y'all go tap into my boy page. Let's run him up. And y'all show y'all support, and he gonna give y'all more stuff to tap into. Let me show y'all what he doing now. That's the rough draft. So y'all see how the other side look already. So that's how he start. Y'all see he's sitting there comfortable. He just like me, how I be in the lab. He Indian style, he doing his thing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good at his craft. Cause I'm telling you, my boy Jay Black called him out here, then he know what he doing. And y'all see he doing this over candy red paint. So this man know what he doing for Jay Black to call him and tell him to come do this over candy paint. So that ought to tell y'all something about this man right here. He doing it over candy red paint. Y'all don't believe it? There you go. The car's still in the process of Hollywood. Yes, sir. So yeah, people, y'all show my boy some love, and I'm gonna put all the info in the comments, and I'm gonna tag him in it. Man, y'all run that boy up, man. Show him some of that H-Town love out here. And we out, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later.